What's up, guys? Overdue Adam here. Got you guys another video. This time, I'm going to be taking for you guys on this. I haven't done this before. See some welds on there. But I found this in the scraps. So let's see how I do on this. Hopefully I did pretty good. Alright, let's get to it. And right now I'm running 90 amps. I was running 115, but I had to change the thing so many times. So I'm just going to use 90 because I know that's the right amperage for this kind of thing. So here we go. I might be running it a little bit slow, but I'm going to do the job. So far it's bad. I should have run 115 on this. Heat it up now that I lowered it. But it's not really so. Let's do some practice. Now, as you guys can see, hopefully you guys can see, adding the fillet metal into it, so it just acts as a filler, and it's what I was talking about in the other video about my third hand, and what, whenever I'm holding something on, this is what I do. So that's why the third hand is so important in some situations. A little bit too big. A little bit too big, but it's a little hot, so I'm going to just move on to something else. Alright, so a T-joint, this should be pretty easy. I'm going to put it to 100. And see how I do. I haven't done a T-joint in a while. Right now I'm on horizontal, so it should be interesting. Now I'm going to lower the amperage, because you can see it's kind of fucking it up, and I'm going to teach you guys something I really hate to do in a second. Gotta position myself again. But they require you to do this. Well, I'm going to show you guys after I'm done with this part. I kind of fucked up a little bit, but the rest is okay. Yeah, it's kind of fucked up, as you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see. That is very hot. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys real quick what they require you to do whenever you're TIG welding. Whenever you get the wire, they recommend you to bend the other side of the wire. This prevents poking somebody if they're behind you and you're trying to fillet weld and you push it away and it pokes you in the eye or something like that. This prevents it. And it's a lot easier to hang, and it's just better because you don't get caught all the time on something. And that's what the teacher told me. But My recommendation is don't do that. You know, if you're going to be pulling away, I prefer cutting this in half and, you know, then just put it in a stub bucket or something like that, and it'll stay in there. And, you know, it's just a better thing to do it, and you can really get close and see what you're doing. And it's just better. I like doing it. But, you know, you got to learn both ways. So, you know, I'm learning using the long rod. And but personally, if you guys are starting off, I do recommend just, you know, cutting this in half, because it's pretty long. You know, I didn't really measure it. I'm about to cut it in half for you guys. There you go. That's about how long it should be. That. Just cut it in half, and it fits right into the bucket. I'm about to show you. And that's it. You see how long that one is. I just cut that in half. So it looks good. So that's my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. That is TIG Welding 101. Hirsch.